Get him!
Ladies and gentlemen, here on a
Give it up!
Ratchet Friday. Holy shit.
Look at that trail of smoke!
Ladies and gentlemen, actual dragsters. This is gonna be good.
Oh, the chassis lifted!
Ladies and gentlemen, displacement for displacement.
Yo!
And he
Yo.
beat him, and he was led the light too.
God bless America.
God bless Harambe.
The land of the free, the home of the muscle car.
Turbo diesel versus Integra. This should be interesting.
See that I'm not gonna. No, I don't think he's good.
Turbo diesel.
Dude, look who's racing. Is there nobody in the same class as you? There's a 2J out back.
Let me get the clip. Hold on. What did you just say if I ran down and the next thing you know I walked
If they
out with
let
the
you
Eclipse?
in.
I just walked out with the Eclipse.
If they let you in there. If they would have let you
Hush
in
falls
with
over the
that.
crowd.
What time?
Oh.
10.2.
If you didn't holy shit. Why didn't you put that against the GTR?
Because VTEC didn't kick in fast enough.
I don't know. What peg is that? If that's not VTEC. We got a Superbike coming up. Superbikes.
Don't tell me the Superbike's going against a Honda.
This is gonna be loud.
That looks fucking.
Oh! First 9 second of the night from a Honda.
9.6. How about the displacement sign?
There's a displacement.
Called VTEC.
It's called Caracas. Look, he's gonna race. I blew the motor.
Hey drivers, if you have a car in the staging lane,
It's never
not with your
me
car,
until somebody pulls it.
you're in the wrong place. We need all drivers to your cars, please. All drivers to your cars.
Who's the asshole?
You don't know what this is.
What's going on?
Yeah, the little one.
He's getting something.
Did he not make it through inspection?
Either that or something.
Asshole.
I don't know what happens. It's like multiple reasons, and I just don't know what they are.
Wah, 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 wah. Walk of shame. Of course, it's gonna happen.
Either that or it could be the noise restriction.
He's angry.
It could be the noise restriction.
As the noise restriction?
Yeah, I think after a certain time, well, all cars that race have to be muffled because there's a noise because of the laws here.
There are cars that are muffled in this. Are you sure?
Yes. Tristan, look at me. Look at me. Yes.
I feel like they just take a trash can, put it on the end of a pipe, and say that's my muffler.
Tristan.
The bikes are gonna pull 9 seconds. You know that, right? You know those little moped bikes that they have? I want to see 2 of them go to the track. I thought that would be fun. That would be so fun.
I just want to see some action.
Superbikes, dude. Wherever spelled dragster against a road, they're gonna shoot something straight.
He's like, let me try this.
No, he knows what he's doing. He's getting the flow right and everything. He's warming up the entire tire.
I was about to say, hold the Gotti.
Like I said, the reason why he's got just the long forks on the back is because this way when you hit the gas, you don't kick back.
All we need is a Suzuki Leon.
Go home.
Really top tier, top tip. Hi, Suzuki. I hear the next season's in September.
Hopefully. Let's see what happens. 9-second quarter mile. Here we go.
Lifted it.
Damn it. I'm telling you, they're going to be 9 seconds.
I see the next round of bikes and they got cars coming in.
Hey Kevin, I'll be right back. I gotta go to the bathroom. See the eclipse fall. What the fuck?
How'd you front the entry fee with mom by $5, man?
Next thing you know, 9-second quarter mile.
You? Nah.
I think I could run about a 15 or a 16.
You'd run, yeah, maybe.
Are you taking a night? He gave him a head start. Oh my god. He gave him a head start. Did you see that?
I'm about to say, don't tell me that small thing's racing.
I wanted to see that. I feel like 2 of them race them. What happened to my time, bro? Nothing goes. Sorry, the clock goes up to 20 seconds. What are you good for, bro?
Give me a damn time, man!
They're obviously 9 seconds.
I'm sorry, the timer starts. The time starts to count after 8 seconds.
Another 6-second contest. Minimum tread depth. Minimum tread depth. Tread depth.
Only way to drive.
Is that a Harley?
Yeah, but I don't think that's racing.
I think it's racing.
If it is, I'm
No,
gonna be.
he's racing. That's staging. I want to see the Harley do a burnout. I know they can because my dad does about 8 of them.
Anthony Spiello on a single run. Anthony started racing 9 years of age.
9 years of age. This kid's 9 years old.
Motorcycle.
Yeah, he is. They just did it. I think they can't clock him.
No.
Now back. Oh. Harley Davidson.
As far as I know, Anthony.
So the Harley's actually doing it.
Junior director racer that
Alright, cool.
graduated to 2 wheels machine.
I think Ariana's gonna like that. Just because she's more into motorcycles.
I wish I had videos of my dad's Harley Knight Rider.
Actually, dude, if you want
Ask
these
him-
videos, let me just download it.
Ask him about
Walter,
his 3-inch
what
drag
time
bike.
is it?
3-inch drag.
His bike was loud.
I put Nike.com Ratchet Friday, sponsored by Tri-State Motorsports, but even thanks to Johnny Blake and Circle Driving Run. We actually beat or company event, one of the speed fast.
They're 3.
Which
6 and
Mazda's
7.
best
So,
Your money's
driving around, I'm going to tattoo it on you.
Of
Hey,
course, my
we
money's
have
always on the
to
PlayStation 1.
But
It's
thank
my
you for your
livelihood
welcome.
to a degree.
Anyway,
To a degree.
that's going to be
What's your other one? What's your other
We're
one?
going to have everything that you
That
like.
thing's been
You know, Friday, you better
Oh no, third.
And we're
Either
gonna
that or that
turn
was
up a
a-
notch.
either that or that was a muscle.
Really tight, make that nice and fun, Walter, and we're gonna be doing the big things right here at Old Bridge Township Raceway Park.